we present our automatic packing machine BG37 with one head and double vibrating channel with counterpiece function for small pieces, plastic and metallic particular. This machine has a particular structure to fit also in rooms with limited space. Our BG37 is a reliable and versatile machine. As you can see, from the same side from which the product is loaded, the packed bags come out. The functions are managed by PLC and are editable through touchscreen display. Ideal to pack small plastic and metallic particulars, caps, screws, bolts, and more. Once the product is loaded into the hopper, it's carried towards the balance by the vibrating channels. The bag is produced from the reel. The packing machine in this video is equipped with a label machine. The counterpiece function calculates, according to the weight of the piece, how many pieces are packed into the bag. This function is particularly useful for those who have to pack by numbers small pieces with regular shape and with the same weight. Simple to use and to be programmed. Easy to clean. Fast and reliable. Equipped with touchscreen monitor to set and save easily the parameters, according to the product, from the weight to the length of the bag. Great results in terms of efficiency and precision. Made in Italy. For more information, visit our official website www.ciasrl.it and our video channel www.confeziona.it. C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.